Hey YouTubers, welcome back to another favorite features a Rebelle 5 Pro tutorial, and in this tutorial I'll be going over mixed color, and this feature is transitioning from dark to light or transitioning from a color to another. It's like mixing colors together and to form like a different color in the middle. So let's show you first how to access mixed color. We go to Windows and you'll find it color set, F9. You'll find it over here, color set, this icon here that says mix color. You can also hold X to activate it. And so what we will be doing is applying red, and we're going to transition to the darker tones of red. So how we do that, we turn mix color on here and we tap black each time as we go along. Alright, so we do have more darker reds, but we'll just leave it right there. Let's now turn mix color off, select red again, and we'll be transitioning to more of a lighter reds. Alright, so turn mix color on again and tap white once. Do it again. And you can see it transitioning as we tap each time. Alright, see there, red is transitioning to pink, almost white. And let's move on to transition into a color. So turn mix color off, tap red, and we're gonna transition to green. Alright, so let's turn mix color back on and tap green once. Alright, there you have it. So you can see where red and green mix together, and in the middle you can see the gradation and the transition. So now you can use this as like a palette. So for example, you want to paint, first you turn mix color off and you want to paint with this green here, this green and red here, and apply this red here, apply this green here, and let's blend them together. Alright, I see where the colors are mixed together. You can also turn on dirty brush, which we will explore at another time. Turn paint and mix on. And you can see that mixture of colors right there. You can also blend it. You can also blend it. Blend these together. This is good for doing backgrounds, variations. Alright, so this was a mixed color feature in Rebelle 5 Pro, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and if you have any questions about this feature, you can message me below in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.